found a holly.
An escaped Ilex aquifolium.
Aren't these dioecious? I think that's a male holly.
Oh, that makes sense because I can recognize the females. They're more commonly planted or something.
Or is it not even a holly?
At first, I was running up to it and I thought it was going to be a golden chinquapin. And then at close, I'm like, no, the leaves are not.
It's kind of like a bay, but it's actually, I think it's a male holly. It's not bay laurel. But do you know why I know it's holly? Look at the stem here.
Alternate. The stem is very distinct.
Very distinctly holly. What the? What the? You don't. You.
Out, and they're created by these wasps, tachinid wasps, and then they have several parasites. They're hyperparasites, and there's this really beautiful, I think it's Orthoptera, and then I think Orthoptera is the main, the wasp that causes the gallop, and there's several like beautiful wasp parasites, and they have a food web based on this. And in the springtime you can grow them out. Actually, if you collect these galls and put them in a little jar, once you put them, say like late March or April, and you keep them in the jar, and the wasps, the larvae will grow and pupate and then hatch, and you'll get them coming out, and you'll have an instant little collection and an instant ecology story just based on one single collection that's really easy to make. So it's pretty cool. This is unique to oak species, like this Quercus garryana we have here, and in the absence of fire suppression, these mistletoes grow a little bit more abundantly, and they're parasites of these oaks, and they have these special roots called hostoria that are partially just cells of that plant within cells of the, I think, the phloem and the xylem, the vascular tissues of the oak. And so they kind of sap some of the nutrients, and their cells move into the actual oak tree. But they are partially photosynthetic, although not all mistletoes are. But here's an example of a partially photosynthetic mistletoe parasitic plant. Next to some oak gold. Unique lichen. It's a leafy type lichen, and it has 3 different representatives. It has both fungi, the Ascomycota, and it also has a green algae and a cyanobacteria too. So
that's awesome. Can we keep talking about this while we're walking?
Yeah, and it's cool because the cyanobacteria fixes nitrogen, so it's bringing nitrogen back into the ecosystem.
Arbutus menziesii.
Whee! I'm a rabid botanist. Look at me frolic in the snow. Whee! Yay! Rabid botanist.